Nguyên Phương. I'm 6 years old. Today I will do recording. Don't hiccup. Every day is a big surprise. Don't enter a competition. She will sing on television. Hic, hic, hic. Dawn is nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccups. Dawn's mother gives her a scare. Surprise! Hic, hic. Dawn still has hiccups. Put your fingers in your ears. Hic. But Dawn still has hiccups. Suck on a slice of lemon. But Dawn still has hiccups. A nurse gives Dawn a glass of water. Drink it upside down. Dawn's hiccup go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her song. I live in the city and I have a giraffe. He sleeps in the big square cage. I try in the school, he's very strong. He's orange and black and he can go along. It's beautiful. The crowd shouts and cheers. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.